Hello and welcome to Herman's RV Holidays. I'm Ads, this is Zoe. And welcome to the beginning of our tour of Ireland. Now, we've never taken Herman to Ireland before, but we've decided to start off in Dublin and head north to Belfast and follow the coastal road there to the Giant's Causeway. We've just got off the ferry. We are very jaded, very tired, still recovering from Heimerfest, which is just yesterday. End of it was yesterday. Currently we're in Rush, which is just north of Dublin, at a campsite called North Beach Campsite. Now just over there is Herman, so you can see that we got a bit of a view of the surrounding coast. Not sure what we're going to be doing today. It is starting to get dark. Just over there is the harbour, and there's some shops and there's some restaurants and pubs, I believe. And but tomorrow we're going to head north a bit more, follow the coast a bit, head towards Belfast, which is the beginning of the tour. And yeah, well, bring you along for the ride, shall we? Isn't that amazing? It's so beautiful here this morning. Such a contrast to yesterday, where it was it ended up raining and we didn't do much videoing. But anyway, it's a lovely morning today here in Rush, and we're just about to head out. We don't really have a plan, but let me show you on the map about where we're thinking about going. Right, so there's Dublin. There's Belfast, and we are about there at Rush. Got the Skerries just next to it, which sounds nice. I don't know if it is, but anyway, we plan on heading out and following. Maybe get on the motorway. We'll probably miss the motorway though. But anyway, we'll end up probably around about here somewhere near Carlingford. That's our plan. Well, kind of a plan. We'll see how it goes, really. We have stopped for lunch at Clogherhead, and as you can see, what a beautiful beach. For bathers only, apparently, so you won't find any boats here or anything. But yeah, it is quite spectacular. Let me just show you over here. Goes on for a while. Swimmers already, and very relaxing. So just to show you where we parked, there's obviously Herman. This is the beach car park. And just over there is the RNLI station and shop, and of course then we just got the beach. I think that's pretty cool. I don't know if you can overnight here though, but it is a good parking spot. So we are now at Carlingford Marina. We're going to be staying here the night, and it's going to be about £10 apparently, or sorry, €10. No one's in the reception at the moment, so we've not paid just yet. We're sharing the spot along with a couple of other motorhomes, a couple of Heimers in fact. This one here is a B564, just like Herman is. and if I spin round, I can show you the marina itself. Spectacular view. Over there, I believe, is Northern Ireland. And we're going to go into take a look at go walk into town, take a look around there. There's an tourist information centre there, so hopefully we might be able to get a decent map. I'm in Carlingford now, and just in the harbour, and you can see just there is a castle. Now it's closed off at the moment, so no one can get in there, but also there's another one just there, and the sun is starting to set, and we're getting hungry, and we may have to go and get ourselves something to eat. It's quite picturesque here as well. Yeah, we found the tourist information centre, that thing there. Unfortunately, it's permanently closed at the moment, so no maps for us. So it appears that the other castle is also closed off, but it's looks like it's attached to a pub. Okay, well, it is a new day and it is raining. It is now Thursday the 13th of September, and we're still at the marina in Carlingford, and we're going to be heading north today, and we've got a plan, we've got an idea where we want to end up, and so let me show you on the map. So we're there at the moment, Carlingford, and we're going to head over around here, around the coast here, to Strangford, just there, and there is a National Trust campsite, Castlewood I think it's called, and it's like a stately home castle, and it's one of the locations for where they filmed Game of Thrones. So we're going to head into there today, hopefully following the coastal road. And we've just come back from reception, paid our €10 for the night, and we're going to empty our waste and whatever, and we're going to be off. But today doesn't look very promising. In fact, let me just show you this in the rain. That's the mountain. Well, I say mountain. It's not a mountain, but that's the mountain we were looking at yesterday. It's shrouded in mist and rain and clouds, so visibility today is not that far. We have arrived in Northern Ireland just by crossing the river back in that town. I believe we're in Northern Ireland, back in the United Kingdom. Now, we didn't realise this at the time, but we brought our passports because on the ferry, of course, you're going essentially into Europe, go to Ireland, to go, Dublin. But now we know you don't need your passports, and obviously you don't need your passport going from Republic into Northern Ireland. The other thing we noticed in Ireland, maybe it was because of the weather. It was very sunny the last couple of days, but the one thing we noticed is that it seemed a bit like France, didn't it, in ways? Maybe it's the signage was in kilometres, all the signage is in kilometres. Yeah, the building, just had that kind of feeling or aura. Come on, Herman! Of being on the continent. Well, we have arrived at Strangford, I think it's pronounced, This is the harbour. That there is the ferry, or the building for the ferry, and Herman is just parked there. Apparently you can overnight there and it's free, and in the building there are toilets. There's no water or anything. There's bins and stuff though, of course. I did ask. We had a lovely lunch in a cafe called Cake Shop, was it? Cake Room. Fantastic. It's only like, I don't know, 300 metres up the road. It's not very far. And I asked them there about parking, and they said yes, it's fine in there. People actually prefer you park there because it's a touristy place. But she also gave us another place that we could go up, which is just up round the corner, up the road along the coast a bit more. And we may go there instead because it's right on the coast, out of the way of everybody. But for the moment, we're going to have a wander around the town and take a look. There's also what looks like a castle here as well. Look how clear the water is. It's like drinking water. So this is Strangford Castle, historic monument, and there's a sign back there that says exploration welcome. However, if I go down here, there is a door, a nice oak door, but it's locked. You got some windows here as well, up there and just up there. But anyway, not today. It's not open, or I think you might have to get a private viewing or something. Alright, so we've decided to move on a little bit south, a couple of miles down the road from Strangford. As you can see, just behind Herman is what appears to be a castle, and we'll be having a look at that in a moment or later on. But we're currently in a car park, but look at the view we've got. We're currently at Killough, and it's a nature reserve, and apparently a nature reserve full of seals. Yet I don't see any at the moment, and I couldn't even see them in the camera anyway, even if I could. But what a spectacular view. We're thinking of staying here the night, so hopefully it's going to be very peaceful and very scenic and pretty beautiful. So across from the beach and across from where Herman's parked is Killough Castle. Let's go and investigate then, shall we, like the sign suggested to do. Okay, so apparently it's built in the 15th century, and there's a little door just here. Just walking around the edge. See if there's another entrance. No. What do we see inside? Get covered in a spider web. No, you can't see inside. Wow, it's just so flat on the sides there. Another castle with windows, with glass. Glass windows. There you go, Killough Castle. If I'm pronouncing that incorrectly, let me know. So I am mispronouncing it. It just says it there. Killough. I think that's how you pronounce that. So if you remember that B564 that we parked next door to, the owner gave us this map. It's a lot better than the map that I was using before. So I just wanted to point out where our route so far. So there's Dublin, and our first day we stopped off at Rush, which is just there, and we've travelled all the way up here to Clogherhead. We had lunch there, and then we drove all the way through here to Carlingford, stopped there for the night. Well, that was where we met the other B564 at the marina, and then we came up here and then went straight over to Strangford or Strangford, and we're currently just there at Killough. And tomorrow we're heading into Belfast to see the Titanic Museum. Apparently it's not too bad, it's pretty good, so we'll look forward to doing that. And until next time, thank you very much for watching, and adios! Thanks for watching our video. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed, or leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more video updates, or maybe even watch one of our previous videos. Bye bye now.